Hi, Chris from Westward Industries. This is one of our brand new GO-4 vehicles mounted with Genetec LPR, factory installed, shipping out to Texas A&M. Brand new Z3 cameras on top and also a Genetec tablet on the right. You'll notice our brand new LPR friendly workstation. So what we've done is move our display off to the left, which then leaves room for the keyboard. So really easy for operators to use the keyboard while they're doing their work. With the tablet right to the right, everything here is quick access, including the outside. You still have your double sliding doors, and this is really an excellent vehicle for enforcement, just because it's so easy to use, so easy to enforce, so easy to place citations as well. The system again comes all done at Westward Industries. Only thing needed is final software configuration. Controllers mounted in the back, cameras already on top, and as you see here, tablet keyboard mounted and ready to go. So really convenient, really easy. If you do have any questions, please call us at 204-594-4100. Thank you.